So today we're going to be unboxing the DeWalt XR variable speed random orbit sander. This is just the tool only. So if you have DeWalt batteries, you need a sander, guess what? You can buy the sander itself without the battery and save some money. So let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. I wonder if it comes with a bag or not. I have a feeling it's not going to come with the bag. Oh, but it does come. Let me just take a look at this first. This is what it looks like when it arrives. Some plastic that is recyclable, which is good. And then also just some cardboard that's recyclable as well. Here's the sander itself. It's kind of like, feels like Velcro almost. And that's where the pad, so you're gonna have to buy pads. Great thing is you can buy them on Amazon, get a whole bunch of them to go on to here or your local hardware store. Now you know that it has an area for this bag that's gonna catch all of the sand that, the dust that you're getting from sanding. Now, if you are into sanding, you're gonna love this tool. It's got variable speeds, which is good. So, typically you might want to start low and then move it up, depending on what kind of grit paper that you have. But it's brushless. You can put your DeWalt batteries right into it and away you go. Sanding to me is one of the most rewarding activities because you can actually see and feel your results in real time. And this makes it super fun. I love sanding. Start with a higher grit paper, lower grit paper, and then move up to the higher ones as you want to get that nice, smooth, buttery type of finish, especially if you're sanding something like a table or any kind of flat surface. This is the tool to get. It's one of those accessories that is a must-have if you do a lot of woodworking or just kind of stuff around the house with wood and you want to sand things down or restore things. Again, it's the DeWalt XR variable speed random orbit sander, just a tool, part of their 20 volt XR series. Of course, you could use the bigger flexible batteries on here, which is what I do for extended sanding sessions. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy. Be sure to watch all the other unboxing videos of DeWalt tools that I have. Unfortunately, because my tool shed got robbed, so I had updated that. You want to watch that video as well of how I upgraded my tool shed and then brought new tools back in, starting with these unboxings. I'm Andy Baryer. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you again next time.